Hello and high five to all my dear children. Good morning and I welcome you again today with the English online class with the topic conjunction from your grammar yearbook page number 82. Topic is today is subordinating. Today I will explaining you the subordinating conjunction. We have done coordinating conjunction, we have done correlating conjunction. Today I will be explaining you subordinating conjunction. But before going to the topic, let's have a small recap of our previous classes so that we will understand in a better way. Correct? I hope that you have understood the coordinating and the correlative, but still I want that let's have a small recap. Students, I hope you are ready with your books and notebooks. So let's start the class. So before, what is a conjunction? Conjunction is one of the 8 parts of our English grammar. Conjunction is one of the 8 parts of our English grammar. Conjunctions: joining, linking, connecting. When I am saying 8 parts of speech: noun, naming word; pronoun, replace noun; verb, action doing, state of being; adverb, telling more about the verb or giving more meaning to the verb. Okay, that's quickly, softly, smoothly. Adjective, describing the noun or the pronoun: ugly, beautiful, smart, handsome, tall, short, big, soft, hard. Then we have the 6th one, preposition, showing the relation of a noun or pronoun: position, in, on, at, outside, inside, before, after, across, over, under. Then we have conjunction, joining, linking or connecting with one sentence to another, one word with another. And then we have the interjunction, that is a feeling, emotions. So these are my 8 parts of speech. Out of that, what we have started with? Conjunction. CONJUNCTIONS. Conjunctions. G means joining, linking or connecting. जैसे join होता है, हमारे हाथ दो हाथों मिलकर join करते हैं, उस तरह से. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई नीड टू कनेक्ट टू माई फ्रेंड्स, अगर मुझे अपने दोस्त से बात करनी है, जो मेरे दोस्त मुझसे काफ़ी दूर रहता है या मेरे परिवार के लोग मुझसे काफ़ी दूर हैं और मैं यहाँ हूँ, तो हाउ विल आई कनेक्ट? अगर मुझे वीडियो कॉल करनी है तो थ्रू इंटरनेट, कनेक्टिंग थ्रू द इंटरनेट, थ्रू वीडियो कॉल. तो उसी तरह से अगर हमें एक सेंटेंस को, एक वाक्य को दूसरे वाक्य से जोड़ना है बेटा, तो हमें कंजंक्शंस की हेल्प लेनी है. इसके द्वारा ही जोड़ सकते हैं, राइट? और कंजंक्शन को हम लोग बोलते हैं जॉइनिंग, लिंकिंग और कनेक्टिंग. ठीक है? द फर्स्ट वन इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन. ये दिस इज जॉइन 2 वर्ड्स और सेंटेंस विद फैन बॉयज. इफ आई वांट टू जॉइन 2 sentences, I want to join 2 words, then what I need? I need fanboys. This is acronyms. Right? So, F for, A for and, N for not, O for, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. So, fanboys. अगर मुझे एक वाक्य दूसरे वाक्य से जोड़ना है तो हमें कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस चाहिए, और जिससे हम what we make a compound sentence. Right? When we add fanboys, it makes a compound sentence in my coordinating conjunction. So to need to join the 2 coordinating conjunctions, I need fanboys. It makes a compound sentence. Compound words जैसे मैंने बोला था, 2 words when we join, it makes a compound words. Like rain, bow, it makes rainbow. Right? So if I say butterfly, so these 2 words are different, and when we join, it makes a compound word. Right? So these are the words which we use for common words. This is a compound sentence बनाने के लिए जब 2 सेंटेंस को जोड़ते हैं with the fanboys, it means compound sentence. So here we have examples. We can check out how I am waiting for the school to reopen and I will meet my friends. Not the school is opening, neither a vaccine is coming out. But I believe one day that vaccine will come out, yet there is a hope and we all will get away from this problem so that everyone becomes happy. So these words which I have seen, I have joined the sentence with the fanboys. One sentence is connected with another sentence. एक वाक्य दूसरे वाक्य से कनेक्ट किससे हो रहा है? इससे हो रहा है, fanboys से हो रहा है. The fanboys means coordinating conjunction and makes compound sentence. Right? So next we have correlative. It means these words you will get in pairs. जोड़े जिसको बोलते हैं. And what joining this sentence or clauses with pairs, equivalent sentence, same sentence होंगे, equally sentence होंगे in the correlative sentence conjunction. And in the correlative you will get the words in pairs, like as if in pairs, so that in pairs, only in pairs, no sooners, as much as, both and. So these words you will get, in the correlative, having a correlation with the sentence. So let's have an example here. The company deals in both hardware and software. So these are my pairs, having the equivalent sentence. I will eat either carrots or peas. Equivalent sentence. So here is the correlative conjunctions. You will not only study hard, but also works well. Not only comes in pairs. So these sentences are equivalent sentence, and each sentence or clauses come with the pairs. जोड़े में. So these are my correlative conjunctions. Correct? Now let's start with the new one. Today I'm going to tell you about the subordinating conjunction. Right? Now what does subordinating conjunction mean? It means these words are used to join clauses. Clauses are of two types. Clauses are two types. Main clause and then we have the independent clause. Main clause means independent and dependent clause. Excuse me. Main clause, independent and dependent clause. Clauses are also like sentence. Clauses like sentence, it has a subject and a predicate. Right? So अगर मुझे एक सेंटेंस को दूसरे सेंटेंस से जोड़ना है, अगर मुझे इंडिपेंडेंट को डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज जोड़ना है, तो इन दैट आई नीड अ सबऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन. इट मींस द क्लॉज, इसमें क्या है, व्हाट डज मीन, द क्लॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. Subordinating conjunctions. The words that come under subordinate conjunctions are, you can see, because. I was late to school because of my school bus. So, to whom, on which I depend? I was dependent on the school bus. Right? So, in that two sentence, what is joining? Because. Today I could not go to school because it was raining. Okay, so one sentence is depend on the another, and when these two sentences are joined, then it joins with the help of subordinating conjunction. Remember students, when the conjunction, okay, when the sentence, main clause is joined with the dependent clause, it is my subordinating. As you can see, it makes sense only in relation with the main clause. Dependent clause is connected with the independent clause. Like I am playing independent with my friends. I cannot play until my friend comes. So I am dependent on my friends. Okay, I cannot study until there is a light. I cannot study is my independent until there is a light. So I depend on light until it's connecting. So here, because, since, although it is raining, I cannot go out for play. Although my teacher is strict, but still I want to study from him or her. Dependent. Still. Until. If, unless, though, whereas, why, after, when. All these are my subordinate conjunctions which when it joins. Correct? So, my sentence, when I make the subordinate conjunctions, I am joining with the help of these words, which you can see on the screen, on the board. So this is my conjunctions. Right? So students, I have uploaded notes on subordinate conjunctions in the continuing with the coordinating, correlating and that one. In the same document, you will find the heading conjunction, you will find coordinating conjunction with example, you will find sub-correlative with example, and you will see now the new topic subordinate conjunctions with the examples. You all need to copy in your grammar notebook. So with this we come to the end of the topic conjunctions. And if you have any doubt, any confusion related to the topic, you always feel free to call or text me. Okay? Don't have any doubt or any confusion. Always share your doubt or if you are confused related topic. Okay? So I hope that you have all understood the conjunctions. Now, I will be giving you have to complete the exercise from the book, and also at the same time, you also go through the book grammar, page number 80, 81, 82. Right? So that it will be easy to you to understand. So till then, keep learning. Thank you. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.